What's going on, guys? Nick here, bringing you a brand new cryptocurrency video. In this video, I would like to do a Ripple long-term technical analysis, and can Ripple reach realistically $1 in 2018? So Ripple is a cryptocurrency that I never really talk about whatsoever on this channel. I never really mention it, and it's because I'm just not a personal fan as an investor. But it doesn't mean it's a coin that you can't trade for profit, and it doesn't mean it won't go up here in the long term, along with plenty of other different cryptocurrencies. So right now, Ripple is number 3 here on the cryptocurrency market cap, with a market cap of $7.7 billion. It's very close here to getting passed by Bitcoin Cash, but hopefully Ripple can hold that spot. It's currently 20 cents per coin. Within the last 24 hours, $41 million, which is very low here, as you can see, compared to some of its competitors for being such a highly market cap coin. 38 billion coins in circulation, and in the last 24 hours, down about 0.5%. So let's look at the Ripple website. Definitely a very clean website. Basically, Ripple's goal is to eliminate the bank's payment system and overall make it faster with their cryptocurrency. Basically, in the world where 3 billion people are connected online, cars drive themselves, and appliances can communicate, global payments are still stuck in a disco era. Here showing that bank payments are slow, 3 to 5 days to settle, expensive, 1.6 trillion in annual cost, unacceptable and unreliable. And overall, they're trying to incorporate their blockchain technology into the banking system to basically make the payment, process a lot smoother overall for the entire world. So overall, it's an interesting project. But the thing is, we're in cryptocurrency, right? A lot of people, including me, I'm definitely guilty of it, disregard Ripple simply because as soon as you look on their website, you hear the word banks and all that, and you're like, man, I got into cryptocurrency for a reason, right? You don't really want to deal with banks whatsoever. So that's definitely one of the downsides, in my opinion, when it comes to Ripple, that's involved with the whole banking industry. But like I said, it doesn't mean it's a coin you can't trade. Here's their Twitter account, 176,000 followers. Always tweeting here daily, putting definitely out a lot useful information. I believe they recently had a cryptocurrency conference on Ripple, a annual conference, and they actually sent the price soaring pretty high. But with that said, let's take a look here at the chart. Okay, so Ripple right now 20 cents even. This is the Bitstamp US dollar to Ripple price XRP, and I'm currently using the RSI, the MACD, and the CCI as my technical indicators, and this is the 1 day time frame, the more long-term time frame here. As you can see, back in the good old days at the beginning of this year, Ripple was just a fraction of a cent, 0.006 cents, and it has went absolutely parabolic all the way up to 40 cents this was within the month. Okay, this was definitely a parabolic move, and it was unexpected. There was this huge bull volume here, sorted up to 0.06 cents, so 6 pennies, came back down, consolidated around the 3 cent range, and had this huge parabolic move up to 40 cents. And to this date, that is the highest that Ripple has ever reached. Of course, after hitting such a big price point like that, it needs some healthy consolidation, which is what we're seeing right now. Of course, there's little pumps in between, but after going thousands of percents to the upside, you definitely need some consolidation. I was in cryptocurrency at this time. I was actually in a few months before, and I never really thought anything of Ripple, simply because when you see a coin like this on the market cap at 20 cents with such a huge supply, you kind of just disregard it. It doesn't really earn your respect. When you look at Bitcoin, man, this thing costs $6,000. You know what I mean? I can go get a used car for that. It's like that really gets your respect. You know what I mean? So I never really took into Ripple's account in terms of its potential. So first thing, looking at this chart, let's draw some trends. So the first thing I really see here is this double top that happened recently at 29 cents. This is a clear double top. I'll draw a quick resistance line here. I'm pretty much just going to sketch this chart and let you guys know what I think. So right here, that's definitely a clear double top. So in Ripple's long term, 30 cents is definitely a huge key resistance. You could even say that's a triple top with this resistance over here at around 30 cents as well, 30 to 32 cents. And I think we could even draw a long-term trend line from all the way down here to these 2 points. Yes, I can. So that's definitely something interesting here. You could say this is an ascending triangle. Ripple is definitely consolidating right now after this huge move. It went all the way up, like I said, to 29 cents, had this huge pullback, which is, about 50% if I'm not wrong. Actually, not 50%, about 30%. Had this huge pullback, and it's consolidating right now here on the 1 hour. Definitely plenty of inside bars just trading absolutely sideways. I definitely expect the move. When a coin trades sideways like this for so long, the MACD is literally, just hugging each other, and the RSI is just, going sideways. I usually expect the move. So definitely could expect the move here. I'm favoring in the upside, to be honest. Maybe let's see. So you could even say maybe somewhere around, let's draw this trend line, horizontal. Maybe right here, this is really the next key resistance. You have another one down here at about 21 cents. Let's grab that. Those are really the two overall key resistance points here for Ripple in the short term. So I definitely expect it to consolidate here in this trend and eventually see a breakout. Luckily, we do have this very long-term uptrend for Ripple. That doesn't look good. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's go to the 4 hours. So definitely have this long-term trend line here that's always been respecting for quite a long time. Now let's look at some downtrend lines. So real quick, let me just remove these because it looks a little bit sloppy. Okay, I didn't mean to do all of it. Let's let's redraw that right there. And we'll take our trend line, draw it from down here all the way up to there. So we have our key resistance uptrend. Now, in terms of this, this all-time high at 40 cents, this is a key point because if Ripple ever gets to 40 cents again, that's going to play a huge role, and especially if it double tops in the long term. Now, you're probably thinking 40 cents is a long ways away, right? It's currently 20 cents. It would have to literally go up 100% to get to 40 cents. So I'm not necessarily saying it's going to hit 40 cents, but in the long term, it's definitely very possible. Short term, I don't expect it whatsoever. I expect definitely a pump to maybe retest those key resistances I draw earlier, such as 21 cents and 23 cents to 24 cents. Now, this all-time high, you could probably draw a downtrend line from here. Let's see. A little something like this. Now, right here, as you can see, we have 2 points of contact, and we have our valid uptrend line. We had this breakout. I wouldn't say it's a fake out, but we broke out of this trend line, this equilibrium tightening pattern. We have our high, higher low, lower high, had the breakout, hit 30 cents, and that's the double top. Say this double top didn't happen, I would potentially think Ripple would test 32 cents and then the all-time high, but it did double top, which obviously signifies that it needed some consolidation. So we have our low right now at 18 cents. So overall, I mean, it's definitely a hard coin to chart. I could easily chart Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum all day. I've been looking at those charts for quite a long time. This is really the first time I ever looked at Ripple here in the long term, but like I said, it is possible for it to hit $1 in 2018, in my opinion. So let's do the math, okay? So the numbers don't lie. Ripple's $7 billion market cap, 20 cents a coin, 38 billion XRP. Now, if Ripple was to go to $1, that would imply a market cap of $38.5 billion, which is currently more than Ethereum, but that's only, it's not even half of what Bitcoin's worth. So let's say Ripple makes a big move. I'm pretty sure in the past, Ripple announced that it was doing some JP Morgan partnership. If, you get some big news like that coming out, that could easily send the price, past its current all-time high of 40 cents, maybe even up to $1 in 2018. And overall, as the growth of cryptocurrency occurs, whenever you come on a coin market cap, Ripple's number 3, it definitely catches your eye. People are going to be checking it out. Overall, I expect long-term growth of Ripple. Not necessarily passing Ethereum. I expect all these coins to grow together, but like I said, it is possible for some parabolic growth here in Ripple, due to the fact that it's only priced at 20 cents a coin, and there really isn't, much resistance on this chart. Now, the good thing about Ripple is that it has established plenty levels of support. If I take the horizontal line and put it about right here, you can see that, let's go to the 1 day. 1 day, we'll zoom in. You can see that, there's multiple points of contact. We have one right here at 15, another one at 14. Let's position that even a little lower. Right here again at 14, and this wick going all the way down to about 13. So there's multiple points of contact. I do definitely think that the bottom is in for Ripple in terms of plenty of support built. I think Ripple here is definitely heading up. MACD has crossed bearish quite a while ago, like I said, after that dump here all the way from 29 cents. As soon as it dumped, MACD crossed bearish, and right now we're having some healthy consolidation. That MACD is starting to get closer again to the green line. So if that crosses, could definitely see, plenty of, sense to the upside. Long-term resistance, like I said, 30 cents, 32 cents, 33 cents, and 40 cents. Those are definitely the key resistance points in the long term. I do think that Ripple has built plenty of support here in the short term. So overall, am I bullish on Ripple? You could say so. Me, am I going to invest? No. Simply because I like playing with the big 3. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. I can trade it on multiple different exchanges. It's 3 coins that I think are going to be around for the long term: Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. And hopefully Ripple could maybe even join the group in being, the big 4. Who knows, maybe in the future. So overall, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Real quick, almost forgot. Let's give away 0.01 Bitcoin. So every single day I give away 0.01 Bitcoin. All you have to do is like the video, be subscribed to the channel and turn on post notifications. Click the bell down below next to the subscribe button. Every day I give away 0.01 Bitcoin to one random person, which is right now about $6,300. Bitcoin hit another all-time high today. So let's filter our random comments. I have about 4.2 Bitcoin here. My Exodus wallet just holding that. I've been slowly accumulating that from my different income sources such as BitConnect and Genesis Mining. Pretty much just been collecting my payouts here recently and building up my Bitcoin since I have like 4,000 Litecoins. So I definitely need to get some more diversification. So 1,300 comments. Let's hit start. And our random winner of the 0.01 Bitcoin giveaway is Bitcoin ED. How long do you see yourself doing YouTube? Good question. If you guys ever want to leave a question with your Bitcoin address to win the giveaway, go ahead and do that. I plan on doing YouTube as long as I possibly can, as long as this platform is round and cryptocurrency is booming, because whenever Bitcoin and cryptocurrency explodes, usually my channel does as well. So I'm going to do this opportunity for as long as I can. I have 70,000 subscribers. I'm definitely a lucky individual to be in this position, and I'm not going to take it for granted. I'm going to continue to provide daily content to you guys as long as possible, and as long as you guys are supporting me. That's really what it comes down to. So appreciate the question. Let's send you 0.01 Bitcoin for winning the giveaway. Paste that. 0.01, $63. I'm paying almost $4 in fees. It's all good. And there you go, man. 0.01 Bitcoin sent to him for winning the giveaway. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one. Peace out.